Hi friends, in this video let us solve the Fourier transform related question asked in J 2005 EC paper. The question is for a signal x of t, Fourier transform is x of f. Then inverse Fourier transform of x of 3f plus 2. So for x of t, Fourier transform is x of f. Right? So what they are asking is inverse Fourier transform of x of 3f plus 2. This is what they are asking. We know x of a f plus f naught. For that, inverse Fourier transform is 1 by a x of a t e power minus j 2 pi f naught t. What they have given here is x of 3f plus 2, that I can write as x of 3f plus 2 by 3. So this is a, this is f naught. For that, inverse Fourier transform is 1 by a3 x of 3t, x of at. So x of 3t, then a power minus j 2 pi f naught is 2 by 3t. So what will happen? 1 by 3 x of 3t into e power minus j 4 pi by 3t. So let us see the answer. A is 1 by 3 x of t, x of a t, x of a. It's sorry, it is t by a, not a t. So it is x of t by a. So it is t by 3. So 1 by 3 x of t by 3 power minus j 4 pi t by 3. So the answer is option B. Thank you.